welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Uthando Nesthembu, where Samke announced her pregnancy. In a recent episode of Uthando Nesthembu, the Mseleku household faces heightened emotion as Samke, Musamselegu's fifth wife, announced her pregnancy. Instead of anticipated joy, Samke encountered resistance and coldness from the existing wives, leading to her emotional distress. Samke's introduction into the polygamous family was already met with mixed feelings. Her pregnancy, which she hoped will strengthen family bonds, has instead intensified existing tension. The other wives express concerns about the expanding family dynamics, leaving Samke feeling isolated and unwelcome. In tearful confession, Samke reveals her struggle with acceptance within the family. The lack of support during her pregnancy has taken an emotional toll. As she grappled with feelings of rejection and loneliness, Musamseleku the pantry finds himself in a challenging position, attempting to mediate and restore harmony among his wives. Balancing the needs and emotions of each wife is proving difficult, especially with the added pressure of a new child on the way. This development has sparked discussion among viewers about the complexity of polygamous relationships and the emotional well-being of those involved. As the season progresses, audiences are eager to see how the family navigates these challenges and whether Samke will find the acceptance she wants. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Till we meet in the next video.